Hi, dermal fillers are basically hyaluronic acid which can be used for the hydration purpose, lifting purpose, and sometimes it can fill up the area. This is the most trusted brand, which is Juvederm, which is available all over the world, but this is the most commonly used brand in India. Here this one is a Voluma, thicker consistency which can be used to define the jawline. Sometimes it can be used to lift the area over the cheeks. This one is a Volbella, which is of thinner consistency, which can be used just to fill up or soften the area, which can be used for the under eye and sometimes over the lips. This kind of wall lift can be used for the lips too. And the Volite, which is commonly used for the hydrating purpose, it will not lift, it will not fill, but it will just hydrate your skin. Most of the fillers, they come with a pre-filled syringe of 1 ml. 1 ml contains the hyaluronic acid along with lidocaine, which is a numbing agent. When we inject, the first injection you might feel a pricking sensation. After that, over that particular area, when we give the injection, it will get numbed so that it is less painful. These fillers have to be injected in a right way over the right area. Choose a right product with the right injector. You take care. Bye.